In today's dynamic and uncertain economic landscape, relying on a single source of income is no longer a sustainable financial strategy. Diversification is the key to financial stability and resilience. The more varied your income streams, the better equipped you are to navigate economic challenges, unexpected expenses, and changes in your personal or professional life. Hello, future millionaires. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 sources of income you must have for a prosperous and secure future. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our wealth-building tips. Let's jump in. Number 1. Primary employment income, the foundation. Your primary employment income stands as the cornerstone of your financial stability, constituting the dependable earnings derived from full-time or part-time work. It serves as the bedrock upon which you construct your budget, meet essential expenses, and formulate plans for the future. Yet, the job market's unpredictability and economic fluctuations can pose threats to your job security. Recognizing the imperative of diversification becomes crucial in this context. While primary employment provides a steady income, relying solely on it can render you susceptible to unforeseen challenges. The importance of cultivating additional income streams becomes evident, creating a financial safety net that enhances resilience in the face of job market volatility or unexpected circumstances. Diversifying income sources not only fortifies your financial standing, but also opens avenues for personal and professional growth. It grants you the flexibility to explore diverse interests, invest in personal development, and navigate changing economic landscapes with greater confidence. Number 2. Passive income. Earn while you sleep. Your primary employment income stands as the cornerstone of your financial stability, constituting the dependable earnings derived from full-time or part-time work. It serves as the bedrock upon which you construct your budget, meet essential expenses, and formulate plans for the future. Yet, the job market's unpredictability and economic fluctuations can pose threats to your job security. Recognizing the imperative of diversification becomes crucial in this context. While primary employment provides a steady income, relying solely on it can render you susceptible to unforeseen challenges. The importance of cultivating additional income streams becomes evident, creating a financial safety net that enhances resilience in the face of job market volatility or unexpected circumstances. Diversifying income sources not only fortifies your financial standing, but also opens avenues for personal and professional growth. It grants you the flexibility to explore diverse interests, invest in personal development, and navigate changing economic landscapes with greater confidence. Number 3. Side hustles. Monetize your passion. In the gig economy era, side hustles have become a potent avenue for monetizing skills and passions. Whether you excel in freelance writing, graphic design, or possess expertise in a specific trade, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy offer opportunities to convert your abilities into income. Side hustles serve not only to supplement your primary income, but also as a creative outlet for your passions. They provide a gateway to explore entrepreneurial pursuits without the commitment of a full-time business venture. The allure of a side hustle lies in its flexibility, allowing you to select projects that align with your interests and fit into your schedule. By embracing side hustles, individuals can diversify their income streams, enhancing financial stability and cultivating a sense of autonomy in their professional endeavors. This approach not only bolsters economic resilience, but also fosters a dynamic and fulfilling career where personal interests and financial gains harmoniously intersect. Number 4. Investment income. Grow your wealth. Investment income goes beyond generating a passive cash flow. It's a strategy to grow your wealth over time. Beyond the safety of traditional savings accounts, investing in assets such as stocks, mutual funds, and real estate opens the door to long-term financial growth. While investments inherently carry risks, a diversified portfolio can mitigate potential downsides. The power of compounding and the appreciation of asset values contribute to the accumulation of wealth. Strategic investment planning aligns with your financial goals, whether they involve purchasing a home, funding education, or securing a comfortable retirement. Number 5. Real estate. Property as a profitable asset. Real estate emerges as a multifaceted asset, embodying both a conduit for passive income and a steadfast long-term investment. Whether one opts for rental properties, delves into commercial real estate, or engages with real estate investment trusts, a reliable cash flow can be achieved. The propensity for property values to appreciate over time adds allure, presenting opportunities for substantial returns on investment. Real estate, as a tangible and secure asset class, plays a pivotal role in fostering a diversified income strategy. Its enduring nature not only provides a steady income stream, but also positions it as a resilient cornerstone for wealth accumulation. Investors drawn to the prospect of financial stability and sustainable growth find real estate to be an enticing choice, blending the benefits of immediate returns and the potential for long-term prosperity. Number 6. Business income. Entrepreneurial ventures. Embarking on entrepreneurial ventures, be they small side businesses, startups, or franchises, presents a challenging yet potentially rewarding avenue for income generation. The scope for unlimited earnings exists within the entrepreneurial landscape, but it comes hand in hand with heightened risks. Successful businesses, however, can deliver not only financial independence, but also a newfound flexibility in one's professional life. The key to navigating this dynamic realm lies in embracing innovation, discerning market needs, and adeptly adapting to evolving trends. These proactive strategies are essential for not only initiating, but also sustaining a profitable business. Entrepreneurs who navigate the complexities of their chosen market, innovate with purpose, and remain agile in response to changing landscapes position themselves for both immediate rewards and long-term success in the ever-evolving realm of business. Number 7. Educational income. Share your knowledge. In the digital age, leveraging one's expertise to share knowledge has emerged as a lucrative income stream. The proliferation of online platforms has opened avenues for individuals to monetize their proficiency through various mediums such as online courses, webinars, ebooks, and other educational materials. Whether you hold expertise in a specific field or possess a unique skill set, creating and selling educational content not only generates income but also enables you to make a positive impact on others seeking to enhance their knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare have democratized education, providing opportunities for individuals to connect with a global audience. By capitalizing on these platforms, educators can transcend geographical boundaries and reach learners around the world. This not only expands their income potential, but also fosters a collaborative and inclusive learning environment. As technology continues to advance, the educational income landscape evolves, offering individuals the chance to share their knowledge, contribute to the learning community, and build a sustainable source of income. And there you have it, the 7 sources of income you must have in your financial toolkit. But remember, it's not about choosing just one. It's about creating a diversified portfolio that works for you. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more wealth-building content. Keep hustling, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.